live out in the middle of the woods, and because of my Amazon business, I go through a lot of boxes, so I burn all my cardboard. I burn a ton of cardboard. Ooh. I live out in the Pocono Mountains, and because of my Amazon business, I have a ton of cardboard. What's going on? What's going on? It's my second time going live on TikTok, a new platform here. So, but what I'm doing now is I'm burning cardboard. I got a ton of cardboard for my Amazon business. I have a ton, come pick it up too. Well, I have a recycling center near me, and I could drop it off, but I've got a lot of cardboard because I have a distributor that delivers my some of my Amazon products to me, and I have these boxes, and I accumulate probably about 100 of them a month, if not more. And they're big boxes. They're too big to put in my car, so I burn them. I wait till I accumulate. Like, I'll do this like maybe once a month, maybe twice a month. But with me being out here in the middle of the woods in the Poconos, it's not a windy day today, so I've got no problem, doing this. And then I just burn them. So, are they over 25 inches? Yeah. Oh yeah, they're over 25 inches. Yeah. I can't use them for Amazon FBA. They're over 25 inches. It's one of the advantages of living out in the woods. So, somebody's sending hearts, likes. This is only my second time going live on TikTok, so I'm still learning how this works. Hitting the wrong button, but this is where I'm at. Here's the house, right there. That's the garage where I do my Amazon business out of. That's the house, right here. So I'm in the middle of the woods. I'll do a little turn around. There's the fire right there. That shed is actually full of inventory. It's full of inventory. So I'm gonna do a turnaround. There's my driveway. That thing's a bear. Let me move up to the end of my driveway here. Right here. This is my driveway. Right here. Goes around there. Goes around there. But that thing is a bear when I go to snow blow it. I am in the Poconos in Pennsylvania. There's my car. So let me show you here. Let me turn this around. Well, this way. So there's my car. I got an Alfa Romeo, fully paid for by selling on Amazon. And right now, I had this put on last year. So when I'm out driving around, people see my YouTube channel. So residualhustler.com. So, but paid for. I'm selling on Amazon. Right now she's sitting. So, but here's the backyard. Goes all the way up in the back. Got the quad up there. Back porch. Up there is actually my campsite, where summertime we cook out up there probably 2 nights a week at least. Get it all nice and going. I got lights I put up in the trees and everything. So next year, probably summertime, I'm going to be building a 2-car garage off the side of the house, going probably to the edge of the woods. So I can put, I've got 4 cars, so I can put 2 in the garage. Oh, fire's getting low. I got this beater right here, my Chrysler. This is a 2012. This baby, 166,000 miles. Still running strong. Got the wife's old car over there, a Rogue. That 2016 Rogue. That our 16-year-old daughter is going to be driving in the next couple months. And then my wife's car. She bought a 2022 Mazda. And I work from home now. I do Amazon full time. So I'm home. As of January 1st, I actually quit my family's business December 31st after 32 years. I retired from the family business. I'm 49. Actually, I just turned 50 2 days ago. So I went and just started doing Amazon full time. Nice car outside, business inside. Yeah, pretty much. So how much did you bring home from Amazon? I did $90,000 in 2021. My goal for 2022, now that I'm home, is $200,000. That's the goal. Happy late. Oh, I know. I'm doing a lot more online arbitrage. Already started. I actually took my second Amazon lending loan, which was for $5,000 yesterday. So I'm just waiting for them to send me the money. Then I'm going to go nuts with online arbitrage. I've already been finding some stuff, creating like an Excel spreadsheet to purchase where I get it from. I've been doing reverse sourcing. I have a friend of mine who does over $500,000 a year on Amazon, and we were talking about reverse sourcing. And I've been doing that. So if you're not sure what that is, go and Google that, reverse sourcing Amazon, and you'll find out. But it's been, yesterday I did it for like maybe less than an hour. I found like 6 or 7 items that are possibly replenishables, which is pretty cool. Grocery. That's actually, I sell grocery and apparel. Nike, Under Armour, Adidas, Champion, Chaps. Adidas, I just got ungated in. Adidas, not originals, regular Adidas. I just got ungated in probably about 2 months ago. And the other ones, like Nike and Under Armour, I got grandfathered into because I've been selling a lot over the years. So I got grandfathered into those. But I had to get ungated for like topicals, things like that. And got ungated for that. Got ungated for grocery. But those are the main things I focus on. Whenever I go to any stores, I look at replenishables for grocery, meaning like kids' snacks is a big one. Different thing, just if you have kids, think about what they snack on. Okay, now I'm not going to tell you what they are because a lot of them are replenishables for me. But if you have kids or you have grandkids, look at what is in your pantry and look at what those kids eat all the time as snacks, and scan those kinds of items in Walmart, Target, even your local grocery store. Those types of items. I sell a ton of coffee that I get from a grocery outlet. A ton of coffee. Any pointers on reverse sourcing? Do I use TA? Yes, I do. I use TA. What I do for reverse sourcing, and I guess there's different ways of doing it, I'm not sure, but the way that I do it is I look for, on Amazon.com, I look for Target branded products and Walmart branded products. Like if you go to Google and type in Target brands, you will see that they have a lot of their own private labeled products. At least a dozen or more that I have seen. And then you go and you Google that name, that like Target branded name, put that name in Amazon and see what pops up. You'll start seeing products pop up, like dog food is one for Target. The name is like Brooks and something. I forget. I have to look at it. But so what you do is you find somebody who is selling that on Amazon, and then you go into that seller's Amazon store, which you can do that by clicking other sellers to see what other sellers are selling that product on Amazon. You can click on view options or view other sellers, click on that seller's name, and then in their profile, click on products. And when you click on products, you're going to scroll through their store. You're kind of like spying on their store, I guess you could say. You scroll through their store and you look at the products that they're selling. What I do is I look at the products that they're selling that where the pricing seems just a little high, or they have a lot of reviews, like 25 reviews. I found one the other day that had over 5,000 reviews when I was looking. And then whatever that product is, Google that product and try to find where you can buy it from. Okay, I'll give you an example. I found one seller was selling a Dr. Teal's moisture lotion. They were selling 2 bottles for $29, and there was a lot of reviews. So when I Googled the Amazon title, I found out that I can get it at Rite Aid and make about $4 profit every time it sells. Now that's an example of a replenishable. That's a little trick. I shouldn't have told you that. Now you're going to do it. But that's reverse sourcing. I do use tactical arbitrage. I find a lot of discrepancies with it, meaning things that don't match, even though I put in my different things that I want, things with like matching pictures or matching UPC codes. Just not always so great. I actually have I have more luck doing manual sourcing, but I use it to find more replenishables. I do have a leads list group where I try to hand pick the stuff on tactical arbitrage that I find and put out about 100 leads a week into the group. It's called OA. What the heck is it called? OALeadsPlus.com is the website where that group is. And they do pretty good. I even put, like when I'm out sourcing during the week, if I'm doing retail arbitrage, I will even go and put in that group when I'm actually buying to ship into Amazon. I hit 3,000 likes. Holy cow! That sounds good. Sounds cool. 4K now. How many people on list? I have 113 in the group, but probably more than half don't even participate, and it doesn't really make any sense. But not even half actually participate, meaning post and engage and everything. Maybe they're there just to learn. I don't know. But I do have a lot of people that ask questions. So it's also a group that I use for advice, communication, things like that. So the limit on the group would be 150. I won't ever let it get past 150 people live. But I like TikTok because TikTok, I've noticed, is more geared towards people with the same likes that I have. Like I sell on Amazon full-time for a living. And a lot of people that follow me, this is the kind of content that they want to see. And it also helps my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I'm about to hit, I think, like 2,000 subscribers. It's monetized last couple months. And so people can go in there, watch a couple videos, get the free training. How much did you profit off that 90? I profited $27,000 on that 90. So what's that, like 30%, somewhere around there? But yeah, I when I'm out at the stores, I look for 50% or more profit, knowing that I'll probably end up somewhere around 30 to 35. So, but on that 90, I profited 27,000. That's after all my expenses for everything. I use Inventory Lab, which tracks all that stuff. My accounting software tracks everything. So, so I'll pay taxes on that 27. I have other forms of income. I do have a residual income. That's actually where the name Residual Hustler came from. Back in, I don't know, 2015, 2016, somewhere around there. But the name Residual Hustler came from my residual income that I get. Kind of like royalties, things like that I collect. So I do have another income than just Amazon, a little bit on eBay. So I've got, a couple sources. Plus I do KDP Publishing, which is the books, and I have a website apparel line, Residual Hustler Apparel. Actually, everything is on my website. If you go to residualhustler.com, you'll see all the stuff that I do right there on my website. All outlined, very transparent. Everything is there with the different forms of income that I have. That a lot of them are residual. That allowed me to chill out here at home. So, all right, that is it. I'm going to sign up. I'll see you guys on the next one.